Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Alabaster local and long-distance movers near me. If you make an effort to try and move all your possessions interstate without the help of an experienced and professional mover such as 3 Movers, it's not likely to end well. It's best to leave such tasks that involve heavy lifting, packing, and unloading to professionals. Most of the time, you might not even know the best routes to use when ferrying your belongings, say from one state to another. When you hire a seasoned professional to oversee the hauling of your belongings interstate, you rest assured knowing all your belongings are safe. Outsourcing moving responsibilities also gives you the time you need to take care of other things, such as transferring your kids from their current school to their new school. You also get time to evaluate where you're moving to. If where you are moving to is just a short distance from your current location, you might be tempted to hire a truck from a leasing agency and oversee the moving yourself with the help of a couple of your mates. However, entrusting a company such as 3 Movers to oversee all your moving needs is vital, because you don't have adequate experience to handle all the aspects of moving, including packaging, heavy lifting, loading, and unloading the vehicle, among others. 3 Movers offers you local and long-distance hauling services comprising of, but not restricted to, same city and state moves, interstate moves, transatlantic moves, apartment moves, automobile freight services, furniture moves, commercial moving services. 3 Movers is an establishment that has overseen thousands of moving jobs, both local and interstate. You should trust us to give you a smooth transition into your new home or office. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.